Session of Karen Reed's trial began with an unusual request. The judge asked jurors to speak with her one-on-one. No word why, but testimony resumed about an hour later. Prosecutors called to the stand a Miami neurosurgeon to describe the trauma to John O'Keefe's skull. And as WBZ's Kristina reports from the courthouse, the defense team had a quick but pointed exchange with him about his findings.
I feel great. I'm anxious. I'm ready to put on our case.
The prosecution's case against Karen Reed is nearly wrapping up after Wednesday started with a jury issue.
That is going to make it necessary that I talk to each one of you individually.
After about an hour delay, all 18 jurors remain, but they were warned again not to talk about this case. Then,
this is what happens when soft tissue hits a solid ground.
Miami-based neurosurgeon Dr. Isaac Wolf took the stand and testified that John O'Keefe's injuries to his head, skull, brain, and swollen eyes were all from hitting the ground.
The only way he could get this kind of an injury was to fall backwards, hit the back of his head.
And he says O'Keefe could have lived if he had gotten to the emergency room sooner.
Neither the hypothermia nor this kind of head injury would kill you immediately.
A short cross-examination from the defense.
None of your typical days, none of the past typical months have involved forensic pathology, have they? You haven't acted as a forensic pathologist in...
I am, if you could have asked that question, very straightforward. I am not a forensic pathologist. I'm a brain surgeon.
WBZ legal analyst Catherine Loftus.
I think overwhelmingly he was good for the Commonwealth. We saw that he was only cross-examined really for a few minutes by Attorney Alessi.
Then the day finished with Kristina Hanley from the State Police Crime Lab, who tested glass and plastic found at the scene.
The red plastic pieces that I noted within the debris.
Hanley showed the jury microscopic pieces of plastic found in John O'Keefe's sleeve, which she says match Karen Reed's taillight. But she also tested a cocktail glass, which matched glass debris on the ground, but did not match glass found on Karen Reed's bumper.
Nothing on the bumper matched the cup. One piece on the bumper matched a piece found the second week in February by the former Trooper Michael Proctor.
Speaking of Michael Proctor,
does your team plan to call Michael Proctor?
TBD.
And just a scheduling update, there will be no court from now until Tuesday of next week. Now, the Commonwealth still has to call a controversial crash reconstruction expert. This is a man who the defense had tried and failed to get excluded from this trial. Karen Reed tells me she believes that he is prosecutors' final witness. In Dedham, Kristina Rex, WBZ News.
Also today, a judge threw out some witness intimidation charges against the blogger known as Turtle Boy. Aidan Carney's been a vocal supporter of Karen Reed's and with his followers has called for the state to drop the charges against her. Carney has been charged with conspiracy and witness intimidation related to Reed's case. The judge called for some of the charges to be dropped because the alleged victims either were not present or the alleged conduct didn't meet the standard of a crime. But the judge also ruled that Carney should continue facing 10 other charges. David?